Welcome to my giant mutton feast. Wow, look at these incredible mutton shanks and this amazing biryani. I can't wait to dig in. Let me grab a piece to show you the amazing texture. Oh my god, this is amazing. With this incredible gravy, yes, perfect. Wow, so good, fantastic. It's spicy but so delicious. This is incredible. Let's dig in. Amazing, delicious. Oh my goodness, best lamb ever. Look at this. Time to tap the good stuff out. A little lime. Oh yeah. And of course, some salt. Perfect. Now for this beautiful piece. So good. This is absolutely amazing. Rice meat. So good. Thank you. Wow, that was fast. Ladheez. That is perfection. So good. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe for more food adventures.